Tired of the you owe me chaos after a group trip or dinner? Let's lock that down in under 2 minutes by creating a dedicated group on Splitwise. First, open the Splitwise app on your phone and tap the green plus sign, usually found in the bottom right corner of the main screen. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Create a Group. This is your starting point for organizing all shared costs. Now give your group a clear and descriptive name, something like Summer Beach Trip or Apartment 5B Expenses. Works perfectly so everyone knows its purpose. Here's the most important part: adding members. Start typing the names of your friends or roommates who are in the group. If they're already your Splitwise contacts, they'll pop up. Otherwise, you can invite them via email or SMS. Once you've added everyone, hit save or create. You'll now see your new group's main page to start tracking costs. Simply tap the Add an Expense button. And that's it. From now on, any expense logged in this group will automatically calculate who owes what, eliminating the guesswork and keeping everything perfectly organized.